You are going to love the 2006 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, privacy glass, luggage rack. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.